who are gracing today's event of DMJ Ecospace from Philippines with a purpose held in Millennium Airport. Congratulations! Congrats!
Woman who believes that achieving success is like choosing the best furniture that will suit your. Yes. Once the pictures are done, we will count 3, 2, 1, and then.
The PBC Board of Directors, represented by the Vice Chairman, Madam Asiya, fellow entrepreneurs, distinguished guests, business partners and sponsors, family and friends, a blessed and amazing afternoon, everyone. A powerful partnership that will make an impact, not just to the Filipino, but for the global market. And just to show you a video of the Bendalu Foundation, this is where
our country is a team because we are working together. Today's event brings together an inspiring range of Filipino collections, from weather-resistant furniture and wood crafts to hand-woven accessories and ethically produced sneakers, illustrates what is possible when others to do as you have. Continue. There's a verse in the Bible saying, "Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify Him who is in heaven." The same can be said.
His Excellency Alfonso Ferdinand Agbayani Guerra.
Materials, we can take advantage, and I'm very excited that you were able, due to your persistent work in promoting Manila Fame, we have regained at least a foothold again in furniture here in the UAE. I wish you
Alfonso Ferdinand Agbayani Guerra. And furniture, curated with global partner brands for architects, designers, and specifiers. And of course, for Very Economies UAE, for the handcrafted glass and murals. And of course, we would like to thank as well our partners.
Your trust and encouragement mean the world to us. As we look forward to the future, we are filled with hope and excitement for what's to come. This is more than just a business. It is a promise to continue leading with character and creating a positive impact. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Cheers to the new beginnings and many more years of success. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Magandang hapon.
Hope everyone smiles. This afternoon and for making it out of your very busy schedule. Right now we are distributing some cocktails wherein all of us will be having our toast ceremony. On the count of 3 to 1, all of us will be shouting cheers, alright? 3, 2, 1, cheers!